Good gracious me, look, it's aliens from outer space. Oh, what are they gonna do? Oh, I hope I don't get abducted. I don't want to be aboard that alien ship. We are the aliens, and we are here to take over. Take over? Yes, take over. Take over what? Earth!
Oh damn, aliens. I am out of here. Oh wait, I can't walk. Damn, will someone please turn me off?
My lord king, the kingdom is under attack. We must prepare our defenses. We cannot let the aliens win this. Should we send the army, my lord? No, we do not need to send the army. Not when we have a hero. Biker Bob. There he is. He's the hero the kingdom needs. No one can stop this man when he gets into action. When he swings into action. Unleash the giant monkey. We will destroy the earth. Biker Bob, do your thing.
I got you now, you hairy bastard.
Join the adventures of Biker Bob as he fights for king and country and defeats the aliens.
Thank goodness for Biker Bob. What a hero. Now the aliens are gone, I can spend the rest of the day playing video games with myself.
Coming to a cinema near you, hopefully.
You